Okay, we got a little sing-along song for the end here. So I'm going to give you the lyrics here, and they're not too hard. It goes like this. The part that you sing along on is, they did the mash. They did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They did the mash. It caught on in a flash. They did the mash. They did the monster mash. Hope you can follow along on this. Andres will kick us off. I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. From my monster, from his slab, he began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the mash. He did the monster mash, the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They did the mash. It caught on in a flash. He did the mash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrodes. They did the mash. They did the monster mash, the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They did the mash. It caught on in a flash. The monster mash. They did the monster mash. Zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor Unchained back by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive. With their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker 5, they played the mash. They played the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They did the mash. It caught on in a flash. They played the mash. They played the monster mash. Now everything's cool. Drake's part of the band. My monster mash is a hit of the land. For you, the living, the smash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris sent you. They did the mash. Oh, they did the monster mash. The monster mash came on in. They did the mash. It was a